When precision matters, accuracy cannot be compromised. The best digital angle finder delivers exact measurements for woodworking, metalworking, and construction projects, ensuring every angle is perfect. Compact, easy to read, and reliable, it simplifies complex layouts instantly. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Klein 935 DAGL Angle Finder. The Klein 935 DAGL Angle Finder is a versatile tool that brings precision and efficiency to any project requiring accurate angle measurements. Capable of measuring 0 to 90 degrees, 0 to 180 degrees, and dual-axis bullseye ranges, it offers remarkable flexibility for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its quick pitch selection feature allows users to set common target pitches, such as 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, or 1/2 inch per foot, enabling rapid and consistent angle selection. The built-in angle alarm is a standout feature. An audible alert combined with a color-changing LCD ensures that users know the moment the desired angle is reached, reducing the chance of errors during critical alignments. The bullseye orientation accurately measures both X and Y-axis levels, making conduit, pipe, or framework alignment straightforward and precise. Users will also appreciate the auto-rotating display, which adjusts depending on whether the tool is held horizontally or vertically, enhancing usability in challenging positions. High-contrast LCD improves visibility in dimly lit environments, ensuring clear readings at all times. Compact and lightweight, the Klein 935 DAGL is easy to carry on job sites, yet robust enough for repeated professional use. Number 2. Stabila 39018 Angle Finder. The Stabila 39018 Angle Finder is designed for users who need fast, reliable measurements of interior and exterior angles up to 270 degrees. Its digital display features large, easy-to-read digits, complemented by a backlighting function that can be adjusted or dimmed according to lighting conditions. The lock mechanism ensures angles remain fixed when transferring them from one surface to another, guaranteeing precision in every measurement. This feature is particularly useful for carpenters, framers, and engineers who frequently move between measuring and marking tasks. The angle finder also includes vials that remain readable even when the arms are folded, simplifying the process of taking measurements in tight or awkward spaces. Two wide contact edges provide stable positioning on work surfaces, allowing accurate marking of angles regardless of orientation. The sturdy build ensures durability on job sites, while the lightweight design makes it comfortable for extended use. Whether used for furniture assembly, framing, or general construction tasks, the Stabila 39018 ensures measurements are transferred accurately and efficiently. Its combination of precision, visibility, and stability makes it a reliable companion for both professional and DIY applications, offering a high level of confidence for critical projects where exact angles are required. Number 3. Laser Length Angle Finder. The Sigmund Laser Length Angle Finder is a multifunctional 3-in-1 tool combining a laser measure, digital angle finder, and digital level, making it an ideal solution for professionals in construction, engineering, and design. The laser measure reaches up to 262 feet with plus or minus 1/16 inch accuracy, delivering rapid readings in just 0.3 seconds. The digital angle finder provides measurements from -90 degrees to 90 degrees with plus or minus 0.2 degrees accuracy and 0.1 degree resolution, and the absolute measurement mode allows users to check fixed angles reliably. Dual magnetic design enables hands-free operation on metal surfaces, beams, and pipes, which is particularly convenient for carpenters, electricians, and contractors who need both precision and mobility. The tool supports multiple measurement modes, including distance, continuous measurement, area, volume, and Pythagorean calculations, plus additional virtual tape and delayed measurement options.
With storage for up to 100 datasets, it simplifies record-keeping and reduces repeated calculations. Compact and lightweight, this angle finder fits comfortably in a pocket or tool bag, making it suitable for on-site use. Number 4. MD92346 Angle Finder. The MD92346 Angle Finder offers reliable digital measurements for projects that demand accuracy and durability. Its large LCD display with automatic backlight ensures clear readings even in low-light conditions, making it easy to monitor angles without additional lighting. The tool provides comprehensive measurement data for all 360-degree angles, giving users complete flexibility in alignment tasks. Built with a heavy-duty aluminum frame and indestructible acrylic block vials, this angle finder is engineered to withstand demanding environments, ensuring long-lasting performance. The digital module, made from unbreakable ABS polymer, supports versatile functionality, allowing users to set any angle to 0 for customized measurements. This feature is particularly helpful when performing relative angle checks or repetitive alignments. Whether used for woodworking, metalworking, or general construction, the MD92346 delivers consistent accuracy and is capable of handling high-traffic workset conditions. Its ergonomic design makes it comfortable to handle, while the robust construction ensures that it can endure rough handling and frequent use. Combining precision, durability, and adaptability, the MD92346 Angle Finder provides a reliable solution for professionals and hobbyists who require accurate digital angle measurements in challenging conditions.
Number 5. Rain Pot Carpentry Angle Finder. The Rain Pot Carpentry Angle Finder delivers ultra-precise digital measurements covering a full 360-degree range divided into 4 90-degree quadrants. Its high-accuracy sensors provide reliable readings for leveling, alignment, and installation tasks, making it suitable for both professional carpenters and DIY enthusiasts. Built-in powerful magnets on all 4 sides allow the device to attach securely to metal surfaces, enabling hands-free operation and accurate multi-angle alignment without slipping. The large LED display shows real-time angle data with excellent visibility, even in bright daylight or low-light conditions, ensuring measurements remain clear and easy to read. Compact and lightweight, the tool fits comfortably into a toolbox or work belt, ready for use at a moment's notice. The combination of magnetic stability, precise measurement, and clear display.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.